Yo, what is up everybody, Josh Quinones here, and today we are taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now what you are seeing here is a leaked poster of the device. It says Samsung Galaxy Note 9 up top, and then down at the bottom it says the new super powerful Note, which honestly gets me excited. It lets me know that this device is actually going to be a lot more powerful than the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And not only that, but we also have a new concept video by Concept Creators, who has done a great job making this device in a nice 360-degree look for us, giving us a closer look at the device using all the leaks, all the dimensions, and coming up with this. And it looks absolutely amazing. It gets me even more excited for the unveiling of the device. Now, yes, it does have the same design that we've been seeing for the past 2 weeks. It does look very similar to the Galaxy Note 8 with some minor touch-ups, some minor changes, but either way, this device is going to be a beast. Now, it already has been confirmed. We all know that the Impact event will be on August 9th, but something new has came up as far as the release date goes. Yes, we will be able to buy this device on August 24th. That's when it's going to be released and available to buy. I know with my carrier T-Mobile, I always get my device a lot sooner if I do pre-order it, as I've heard with other carriers as well. So if you pre-order it, you might even get it earlier than August 24th, or you can always just wait till that day until it's actually released in stores and go in and buy it yourself instead of pre-ordering it. Now, I'm already a huge fan of the S9 Plus, so to add the bigger battery with the S Pen and different functionalities, I just can't wait to see what they are going to bring to the table with this device to be able to get one in hand. Now, we already know pretty much everything about this device. It's going to have improved performance, better processor, better cameras, all new S Pen, a bigger battery. I mean, stuff, you know, we've all talked about before already in previous videos. I just can't wait. This phone is definitely going to be a beast and looks absolutely beautiful. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this concept that you are seeing here? It's going to come in multiple colors. You got the gray color, blue, you got the lilac purple, teddy brown. So yes, they are giving us one extra color to choose from. You guys, I just can't wait for this device. Let me know your comments down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this new concept video that we are seeing here. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. Thank you guys again for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.